Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to create a product configurator and integrate it on your Wix store using Kickflip. Alright, let's get going. We'll start by connecting Kickflip to Wix. From your Kickflip account, head over to Settings, then click on Online Stores. From there, click on Add Online Store and choose Wix. You'll be prompted to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, simply select the site you want to connect Kickflip to. Finally, complete the setup by clicking Add to Site. Great! Kickflip is now successfully connected to your Wix store. Let's head back to Kickflip and take a quick look at how it makes it easy to build and maintain your product configurator. We'll go ahead and open this custom watch to see how it's set up. This is Kickflip's product builder, where you can control every aspect of your product. If I click on Strap right here, that's what we call a question. This controls that corresponding section in the configurator, and each question contains answers, which are located in the right panel. If I open an answer, this one, for example, you'll see that we've uploaded a transparent PNG image here. That's how the product preview is generated. For each answer, you simply upload a transparent PNG that represents that specific part. Let's add a yellow strap option. I'll click the plus button, name that answer yellow, and I'll upload the image I prepared earlier. And just like that, a yellow strap is now available in our configurator. What if we wanted to allow our customers to engrave text on the back of our watch? Well, I've already set that up. Let's take a look. There, I can type my initials and instantly they're displayed on the watch. I can even pick a font. Let's add a new font. Within the font answers, I'll click the plus button. I'll name this font, and I could upload my own font, but let's simply pick a Google font. This one is perfect. That gives you a quick overview. There's so much more you can do with Kickflip, from letting customers upload images to setting advanced logic and dynamic pricing. If you'd like to explore in more detail, be sure to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel. Now, let's integrate this customizer to our Wix store. I'll open the Connect tab right here, and I'll click on the Connect button. This is generating a product page within my Wix store, and that page will include my customizer. Let's click on the link here to open that product in Wix. There it is. Now, if I check Show in Online Store, it will be visible in my online store. Now let's take a look at the Wix site editor. Kickflip allows you to add a customizer on any page of your site, move it anywhere you want, and style it like any other element in your Wix store. Let's add a configurator on our home page. We'll click on Add section right here, and within that section, we'll click on Add an element. Let's find App Widgets and click on Customizer. Nice! A placeholder for the customizer is now added to our home page, and I could make it a little wider just like that. If you're integrating the customizer within a product page, you can skip the next step. But since we're placing it on the home page, we need to specify which product it should load. To do that, we'll have to find the product ID. It simply is located on the corresponding product page of the Wix dashboard. Just copy the ID that appears in the URL right after /product/ and make sure not to select anything from the question mark. Now, we'll go back to the Wix Editor. I'll click twice on the Customizer element and then click on Settings. Let's now paste our ID in the Product ID field, and there we go. I'll publish the site and take a look. Looks good. Our product configurator is now live on our Wix shop homepage. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Start your free Kickflip trial and add an outstanding product configurator to your Wix store.